So we got 3 songs, 3 rounds. Each one gets a little faster. You could do this. We could do this. We're going to have a great time today. Go take a water break. Come on, right back. This next song talks about break those chains. Come on now, break those chains. Catch that beat. Knee raises. Woo!
Let's go, 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 let's go. Keep on going.
Remember, courage. Break those chains. You're going to see the change, but better yet, people around you are going to notice the change. Yes, they are. And you're going to tell them, I'm walking with Uncle B Monday through Thursday. Yes, you are. Everybody catch that beat. That's right.
It's now. Start with the walk.
Woo.
Let's go.
Appreciate